In this video, we're going to talk about how to transfer a 401k to gold. I get it. It sounds like one of those complicated finance things that only experts understand. But it really doesn't have to be, so I'll just keep it simple. I'll walk you through exactly how it works, what to think about before doing it, and the risks and rewards that come with it. And if by the end of this video you decide that this makes sense for you, I've listed the top rated gold IRA providers along with any special promos they're currently offering. So if you would like to check them out, just click the first link down in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission. So thank you so much for supporting my channel. And now let's get started. Why would someone move a 401k to gold? A 401k is a retirement savings plan from your job. It usually holds stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. But lately, the economy has been a bit shaky. Inflation has been hitting everyone. Markets go up and down faster than ever. People are looking for something solid, something that won't fall apart if the market crashes. And that's where gold comes in. Gold has been valuable forever. It doesn't rely on any company's success. When the market tanks, gold usually holds strong. Some people like having gold in their retirement portfolio to balance out the risky stuff. It's not magic. It's just another way to spread out your money and protect it from surprises. What is a 401k to gold transfer really? When people say transfer your 401k to gold, they're talking about something called a rollover. It means taking money from your 401k and moving it into something called a self-directed IRA. An IRA is an individual retirement account. Self-directed just means you can choose different types of investments, stocks, real estate, and precious metals like gold. So instead of just watching your 401k rise and fall with the market, you can move part of it into gold. Now, that's the idea. But you can't just cash out your 401k and put gold bars under your bed. The IRS, which handles tax rules, has very strict rules. You need to do it the right way or you will pay penalties. How do you actually transfer a 401k to gold? So there are two ways to do it, a direct rollover or an indirect rollover. Let me break them down for you. A direct rollover is when your 401k plan sends the money straight to your new gold IRA account. You never touch the money. It goes from one account to another. Now, this is the easiest and safest way. No taxes, no penalties, no mess. Now, an indirect rollover is riskier. Your 401k sends the money to you first. Then you have 60 days to put that money into a gold IRA. If you miss the deadline, it counts as income and you'll owe taxes. If you're under 59 and a half, there's also a 10% penalty. Plus, they usually take out 20% for taxes up front, so you'll need extra money to cover the full transfer. Honestly, direct rollover is just easier and safer. What should you do before starting? First, check your 401k rules. Some plans only let you roll over money when you leave your job. Others allow what's called an in-service rollover, which means you can do it while still working there. Look that up first. Next, you gotta find a custodian. A custodian is a company that handles the gold IRA for you. They deal with the paperwork, help you buy the gold, and store it safely. Make sure they're legit. Look at reviews, fees, and customer service. If you want to check the top rated gold IRA providers, make sure to check out the first link down in the description of this video. Then, open your gold IRA account. You'll fill out some forms, share personal info, and get everything set up. After that, you start the rollover. If you're doing a direct rollover, you tell your 401k provider to send the money to your new gold IRA. Your custodian will help with this part. Once the money is in the account, you can buy gold, but not just any gold. The IRS has rules. The gold needs to be very pure, at least 99.5%. Your custodian will guide you on which gold is allowed. Lastly, your gold has to be stored in a secure, IRS-approved place. No, you can't keep it at home. It goes into a special storage facility. You can choose to have your gold stored by itself or together with other people's gold. What are the benefits of transferring a 401k to gold? First is, of course, diversification. That's just a fancy word for not putting all your eggs into one basket. When the stock market drops, gold often stays strong. So having gold in your retirement mix helps balance things out. Second, gold is known to fight inflation. As prices go up, the value of gold tends to go up too. That means your money keeps its power over time. Third, long-term security. Stocks can crash, companies can go bankrupt, gold has been valuable for thousands of years. It doesn't rely on any business staying afloat. And lastly, tax benefits. Gold IRAs can grow tax-deferred or even tax-free, depending on the type of account you open. What are the downsides? Okay, so there are some. First, fees. Gold IRAs are not cheap. There are fees for setting up the accounts, yearly maintenance, buying and selling gold, and storing it safely. Second, gold isn't super liquid. That means you can't sell it as quickly as you can sell stocks. It takes time to turn gold back into cash. Third, gold prices go up and down. Over time, gold is steady, but it can have short-term swings. If you need money fast and gold is down, you could lose out. What mistakes should you avoid? The biggest one is doing an indirect rollover and missing that 60-day deadline. Taxes and penalties will add up fast. Also, choosing the wrong custodian. Some companies have high fees or try to sell you gold that doesn't meet IRS rules. If that happens, you could end up with gold you can't use in your IRA and face penalties. And don't ignore fees. Ask questions, read the fine print, compare different custodians, and find one with reasonable prices and good service. Can you move other retirement accounts to gold too? Yes, you can. You can roll over funds from a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, or other employer retirement plans like 403B or 457Bs. But the same rules apply. Follow the process carefully. How should you manage gold in your retirement plan? Check your account regularly. Look at market trends. If gold prices spike or drop, you may want to adjust your holdings. You can also add other precious metals like silver or platinum if your custodian allows. Is moving a 401k to gold the right move for you? That depends on your goals. If you're looking for fast growth, gold might feel too slow. But if you want to protect what you've already built and make it more stable, gold can help. It's not an all or nothing thing. You can roll over part of your 401k and leave the rest in other investments. Final thoughts. Moving a 401k to gold isn't something you should rush into. It takes planning, but if done right, it can protect your retirement savings from market ups and downs and from inflation eating away at your money. And now you know how to transfer your 401k to gold. And remember, if you decide that this makes sense for you, I've listed the top-rated gold IRA providers along with any special promos they're currently offering. To check them out, click the first link down in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Till next time.